Hello, this is Faiza Kashish, roll number 20EE10026, and this is my DIY project for this week. So, first, I'll open the DHT22 humidity and temperature sensor. So, let me open this. So, this is the schematic for the temperature and humidity sensor. Let me go to the source code. I'll go down. I'll make certain edits. I'll insert the line pin mode 13. So the significance of this line is that now I'll get the output at the 13th pin of the LED. I'll go down further and I'll make certain edits at the lower portion of the code. I'll copy paste the code that I've written. So this is my code which contains all the conditions for the temperature and humidity and also the time for which the bulb will flow in each case. So now I'll go back to the schematic capture. So before starting the simulation, I'll change the properties here. I'll select edit properties. I'll keep the humidity same and now I'll edit the temperature 29 degrees Celsius. Click on OK and run simulation. So as you all can see, the bulb glows for 0.5 seconds in this case. I'll stop the simulation. I'll edit the properties again and now I'll change the humidity 24% and the temperature 14 degrees Celsius. I'll run the simulation again. So the bulb glows for 1 second in this case, which is longer than the first time. So now let me stop the simulation. And this is it for the first project. So now I'll open the second project, which is the common cathode LED. So let me open it. So I'll go to the source code. I'll make certain edits. I'll write pin mode 14 output. Then again, the significance of this line is that now I'll get the output at the 13th pin of the LED. Now I'll delete this portion of the code and copy paste the code that I've written. So let me explain the code to you. So for the first part of the wave, it will be on for 0.5 seconds and it will be off for 1 second. The second part of the wave will be on for 0.25 seconds and it will be off for 0.5 seconds. Similarly, the third part of the wave will be on for 2 seconds and it will be off for 4 seconds. Now let me go back to the schematic capture. Okay, so before seeing the output, I'll connect the pin here to the IO13 pin and then I'll click on run simulation. It will take some time, I think. So this is my project. Now let me make certain changes here. I'll make it to DC. Here also DC. I'll change this to 1 and this will be 200. So now you can see the waves forming. You can see the different parts of the waves, like the first part of the wave, the second part of the wave, and the third part of the wave oscillating, and this loop will continue until we stop the simulation. So now I'll stop the simulation. So this was it for this week's DIY project. Thank you for watching my video.